Good day, digital pioneers. It's me, your beloved tech guru, Big Poppa Code. Today we're embarking on an adventure deep into the heart of one of the most foundational problem-solving tools, the divide and conquer pattern, ready to chop problems into bite-sized pieces. Let's get started. Ever stared at a colossal problem, feeling utterly overwhelmed, wondering how on earth you're going to tackle that beast? What if there's a magic trick to simplify it? Imagine you're in a kitchen, prepping for a grand summer feast. In front of you is a gargantuan watermelon. Instead of attacking it all at once, you slice it into manageable wedges. Each segment, though part of the whole, is now easier to handle, carve, and serve. It's systematic, organized, and deliciously efficient. In the realm of algorithms, divide and conquer is our kitchen strategy. This technique involves taking a complex problem and dividing it into more manageable subproblems. These subproblems are either solved directly or further divided. Once solved, the solutions to these subproblems are combined to give a solution to the original problem. It's a recursive method allowing us to gain clarity by reducing complexity step by step. So just as our watermelon becomes more approachable and digestible when segmented, divide and conquer lets us face coding challenges head-on by breaking them into digestible pieces. We handle each portion, solve it, and in the end combine these solutions to feast on the final answer. It's a dance of division, solution, and combination. The beauty of divide and conquer lies in its ability to turn seemingly insurmountable challenges into ones we can approach with confidence. It is the epitome of divide and rule in the coding kingdom, ensuring we are not overwhelmed but empowered. From sorting algorithms like merge sort to the renowned fast Fourier transform, this pattern is the unsung hero behind many efficient solutions. Alright, how does it actually work? Well, imagine you have a huge pile of comic books that you want to organize in order of their release dates, but it's such a big pile that it feels overwhelming. This is where merge sort, a smart way to sort things, comes into play using the divide and conquer strategy. Here's how it works, broken down into steps you can easily follow. Divide. First, you split your giant pile of comic books into two smaller piles. Then, if those piles are still too big, you split them again and again until you have piles that are so small they only have one comic book each. It's like taking a big project and breaking it down into smaller, more manageable tasks. Conquer. Now, with all your mini piles, each with one comic book, you start putting them back together, but in order. If you have two single comic piles, you compare them and put the one with the earlier release date first. Now those two comics are sorted, combined. Keep combining these small sorted piles together into bigger sorted piles. When you combine them, you're always comparing to make sure you're putting the earlier release comic before the later release comic. It's a bit like building a Lego model by assembling small sections perfectly before putting the whole thing together. By repeatedly dividing the pile into halves and sorting and recombining them, merge sort efficiently organizes your comic books, or any list of things, from the smallest detail, one comic book, to the full picture, the whole sorted collection. This method is super effective because it's easier and faster to sort small piles, and then combine them than to try to sort the whole big pile at once. Plus, merge sort is really good at making sure every step of the process is as simple and efficient as possible, making your big, daunting task of sorting comic books way more manageable. And that, my coding comrades, brings us to the end of another enlightening chapter. If this deep dive helped you harness the power of divide and conquer, make sure to smash that like button. Join the Big Poppa Code Brigade by subscribing. Share the wisdom, light up someone's coding path, and let's keep building this community of future tech titans. So, until we decode another topic, keep those brackets in line and may your code be ever bug-free. Farewell and keep conquering tech aficionados.
Man, they call me Mr. CTO. I'm the one that you should call when you learn to code. Success follow me around if you didn't know. From the bottom so the top, the only way to go. Yeah, man, they call me Mr. CTO. I'm the one that you should call when you learn to code. Success follow me around if you didn't know. From the bottom so the top, the only way to go. In this game from a humble beginning, but now we winning. Came up playing the bat like apprentice, but I removed the limits. I started studying my craft, knew that I could do it. I sacrificed the temporary, had to be secluded. When Jeff Nelson gave the game, thought we open lanes. The hustle flowing through my veins, led to bringing change. I was on food stamps, made me some new plans, and soon enough